The Resistent is a new patio deck for your favorite spot. Build your patio using NATURinFORM's co-extruded massive deck, the Resistent. As all of our patio decks, the Resistent is made to 70% of domestic wood. We only use wood from PEFC certified plants, because sustainable and environmentally friendly production is NATURinFORM's top priority. The deck's core is made up of NATURinFORM's reliable composite material and is covered by an environmentally friendly polymer. This protective coating makes the surface especially water repellent and low on maintenance. In addition, the deck is extremely durable, not at all sensitive to weathering, and incredibly UV resistant, meaning that you don't have to worry about stains or splinters. The surface is made to look like exotic hardwoods, stamped on one side and brushed. The Resistent not only looks like wood, but it is also very barefoot friendly and extremely slip resistant. Our deck is available in 3 modern shades. Choose between sand, umbra or gravel. The Resistent is 138 mm wide and 23 mm high. The standard length you can choose from are between 5 and 6 meters respectively. The Resistent, as all of NATURinFORM's patio decks, is very easy to work with. Using our products, you will have next to no scrap, unlike wood, where you would often end up with waste due to knots or warped planks. When you buy the mounting brackets, you will receive an exclusive laying aid free of charge. If the decks are laid perfectly, the gap will be narrow and elegant, only around 5 mm. To help you plan more easily, you can find our patio planner on our website or get advice from one of our countless partners near you. Look forward to a good feeling all over on your new patio. NATURinFORM. We make favorite spots.